kasama ko kayo. At the same time, na-miss ko yung, feeling ko, doon ako nagkaroon ng experience
Tay, yes.
in my bloodline. Kayo lang yung nakarating dito sa ako. Yeah, no one else. So, sinabi niyo na,
I hope you drop in my face that you'll be reminded for me. Is it over? Never mind, I found someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you, dear. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said, I'm such sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares sa love. Ay, kasi pa.
Okay lang.
Buwan nita, magkakaroon may omang isaning. Yung isang pera kami, no? The part of me that you will never die. So when it all jump up and I can't find the words,
Yung una mo manood si Babawan Data na.
every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Natali yung mga...
When the sun goes down and the bomb won't play, I always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. So when I'm all chopped up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the moon won't play, I always remember us this way. Look at me and the word friends. I always remember us. Please, cheers. Yeah, that's it. Go. Yan ang susunod o rolling yung damit na gagaling yan.
Kaya po,
Oo.
aning ang kansyon?
Ayun no? Yan o, Lady Gaga o, Says All This Way. Ayun pala yun.
Kinansyon mo na yan. Ano
Yung
ba?
next, yan, Ed Sheeran. Perfect.
Ed Sheeran.
Yung perfect susunod. Okay guys, this next song is perfect. Perfect that we are here in a place of my cousin Gilbert. Thank you for welcoming me in your home here in Toronto, Canada. Yes. Pwede yung katay ko to kuya. Oh, yes.
Kasi ano ba?
What I never knew, someone waiting for me. Those we just keep running in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you stop, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I hold, and in your eyes you hold me in mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark
Wow.
with you between my arms, barefoot on the ground, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look hot mess, I whisper underneath your breath, but you heard me, darling, look perfect tonight. Woo! Yeah!
Ah, yes.
What I found a woman, but I found a man stronger than anyone. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday I share my hope. All and love to carry on just my secrets. To carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll all make alright. Sky, darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see your future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I thought these service, darling, look perfect tonight. Very nice song.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Naka-vlog ka?
No, it's on the record.
Record lang. Vlog. Pwede na lang sa vlog ko.
Baby, dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I am fed with all I see. I know I have a man. Yes! Perfect tonight, guys! Thank you for watching! Yeah! So, we're here in Toronto! Thank you, guys! Thank you for welcoming me, welcoming us, Kuya Jill, for your very, I can say, awesome house. And awesome man, my cousin, no one else. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Lord, because we are in good health. Bye.